Hey, my name is Moses. This is a day in the life of a paramedic. Come join me and my EMT, Johnny. We got a camera crew following us, and we're gonna get to go ahead and see what I do every day at work. Come right along with me on our busy ambulance on a 12-hour shift as I respond to calls and show you what my job's all about. The time is 6:30. Just woke up. Gonna start the day by working out for a little bit. Got about a 45-minute commute. Still need to get some gas before I go to work. Now I get to start the day off with an energy drink and get ready to start the shift. I am a paramedic for Alpha 1. We respond to medical aids. We'll do interfacility transfers. We'll do 911 scene calls to nursing homes and skilled nursing facilities. We do a lot of community medicine stuff, just even on our daily routine calls. So first thing we're doing is we're just checking our narcotics, making sure that everything is just set and ready to go. From here, we pretty much check our ambulance from top to bottom. We carry anything that we could run on scene, IV supplies, airway management, anything stabilizing or extricating. This right here is our bread and butter. This is our cardiac monitor. Some of the calls we'll respond to can be anything from someone having shortness of breath, someone falling down, cardiac arrest where someone's dead and you have to pretty much throw the whole ambulance at them and do everything the emergency room will do at 70 miles an hour. All right, so now that we got everything checked out, all our inventory is looking good to go, we're ready to run some calls. So it's pretty much how our days get started. You're good, right? We just got a call for a nursing home. Vomiting, shortness of breath, awake, alert, 69-year-old male, no color change, clammy, no lung history, stroke history. The role of my EMT is primarily to get me and the patient to the call and to the hospital as safe as possible. The second biggest thing is actually to help me and set me up for success. They're mainly in charge of cleaning, restocking, taking some of the more lower acuity calls, so someone with just like ankle pain or something that doesn't require advanced life support in the moment.
261, we are on scene.
You're pretty sick, buddy. You got a little bit of a temperature, so I'm gonna get you a little bit of fluids going too, okay, buddy? We're gonna go ahead and do a sepsis alert today. Patient's normally ANO4, GCS of 15. He is acting to that. He is hot to the touch, a little clammy. So we're here at the hospital. We're gonna go and check in with the nurse and the doctor's gonna come talk to you and then they're gonna get you going from there, okay, buddy? And I just got a little bit of documentation to do. I'm gonna help them clean up, make sure everything's good to go, and then we'll probably get out of here in like 10 minutes and go catch another call. The reason I became a paramedic, when I was 7 and 9 years old, I had 2 sisters that died right after each other. I saw the paramedics probably come to my house 30 or 50 times. Each time it was pretty serious. They were doing some pretty high-end medical things that, I mean, just watching as a 9-year-old, that kind of impacted me because I thought, wow, it looks insane. That looks like they're dumping electricity or they're helping breathe for her. They're giving her these medications. So I kind of just thought, okay, after high school, I'm just gonna go pursue that career. And then I took my EMT at a local community college in the spring of 2017, became an EMT, and then I did 2 internships with the local fire department and a huge trauma center in our area. I went to paramedic school at NCTI, and from there I went back to Sac City Fire, did my internship, and right now I currently work at Alpha 1 for the past 2.5 years, going on 3. All right, so me and Johnny just got called out for a person that is short of breath and not responsive at a nursing home. So we're gonna go there pretty emergently, and hopefully they give us an update real quick.
261 is on the scene.
Some of the skills you want to have for this job is going to be physical fitness, mental fitness, stress management. You are seen as a leader. You walk into a complete stranger's house and you're expected to take control of something. A lot of tolerance, compassion, understanding that these people are asking for your help and you have to provide that top quality care. Dude, this is a banger. How have you not heard this? So the time is about 3:30. We're kind of just taking a break between calls. We've been moving from post to post. So we don't know when the next call is gonna come, but luckily we got a little bit of a break in between. So in order to become a paramedic, you enroll yourself in an EMT basic program that's usually offered at any university, a private trade school, or any community college. Most people usually go from EMT basic and just go straight to paramedic school with a little bit of experience. You can circumvent that and not have experience. It just depends on your region and what programs offer and their prerequisites. Then from there, you're usually offered a clinical internship. You take your national registry, you apply for state licensure, and then you find a job. And they'll sponsor you through any county that you work through, and then you'll be an accredited paramedic anywhere you'd like to work at. So the national average for paramedics starting out as an entry-level provider on an ambulance is going to be about $48,000 a year. It really just depends on the region you're located in, but especially in California, this is now a six-figure level entry job, so you can easily make over $100,000. You can have extreme job growth, and it's not limited to the ambulance. You can work as much as you want, you can work as little as you want, and you can work anywhere you want. All right, so we just got called to medical aid just minutes after getting to our post, so me and Johnny are gonna go get an update, and we're gonna go see what's going on. All right, so we're pulling up on scene right now. Well, we've got an update. This patient has low blood pressure, his heart rate's a little fast. He's got a pretty good amount of medical issues. He's got heart failure, he's got some breathing issues as well, so we're gonna go in there, see what's going on, and provide some good medicine. If you're interested in getting in this work, you actually make an impact that person's gonna remember for the rest of their life. That guy is the reason that you do this job every day, because he's still walking around. Or that little girl that you picked up off the side of the road that wasn't breathing, she's gonna go to prom, she's gonna have kids, she's gonna have a future because of what you did. So that's kind of what motivates me. It's a huge impact on why I get up to go to work every day. So now we're back at ops. We're gonna go ahead and restock the ambulance, turn in all our paperwork, sign our narcotics back out, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this all over again tomorrow.
Good night.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the flip side. If you got your jacket, just throw that on. Oh my.
It's not gonna rain today, so I was like,
oh, brother, you're killing.
No.
Oh, dude, there we go. Yeah, dude.
Oh,
You don't like this song? It's a great Blink-182 song, dude. Their latest 3 songs are bangers, absolute bangers.
It's cool.